What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, share the video. Let's get the views up, numbers up, everything up, subscribers up. Let's do this, people. But yeah, let's just get straight into this one. We've got a boring Nike sportswear box. I really hope that they change this box ASAP. Let's just get straight into what the label says. So that's Nike Air Max 95 WT, and the colorway is iron grey, white, Volt black. US size 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45. The style code on these is DZ4496 and they're made in Indonesia. Let's get straight into them. So these, to be honest, I didn't really like that much because we just want the Volt or the neon colorway ASAP. These were like, I don't mind not getting. Then they went on sale, which I'm very happy about, so I bought the pair. Just why not, because they're on sale. Let's get straight into the colors and see what we're working with. So we got the black and Volt at the bottom. I don't know why all these 95s now come with all these like speckles and stuff on the bottom. Like, come on man, they're fresh and they look used. It's annoying. With the air bags or the bubbles, we've got again that Volt colorway, and actually one of these is scratched, which is annoying. I've actually had these sitting here for about 2 weeks. I have not reviewed them, unfortunately, but yeah. So we've got black midsole, full black down midsole, perfect winter colorway, and then we got that Volt in the air bubble. Then we've got this kind of, I don't even know how to describe this material. It's very odd. It's a synthetic material. It feels like a rubber coated type of leather. Then we've got this type of nubuck. Then we've got that same material that's on the bottom again. With an embroidered white Nike swoosh. Nike always do this thing where they just put one extra color. That this could have been Volt, but I don't know how good that would have looked. We've got the same nubuck here. And then usually the top panel would have mesh. So this one does not have mesh, which I actually quite like. It's got this type of waterproof nylon material. I don't know if it's waterproof, but it's nylon. Definitely if you waterproof this, it will become waterproof if it's not already. Then we've got that same leather around the toe box and on the top around. Same thing on the inside, same grays. It's simple. There's not like a lot going on, but I like it. Black lace loops, just plain black laces, reflective. This bit was kind of 50-50 for me, to be honest. This Volt neon type of tape thing that's on the laces, I think they could look good without this as well. So if Nike wanted to do that kind of put me off, not gonna lie, because I think it looks slightly childish. But at a sale price reduced, why not? Then we have the Air Max logo there in that Volt and grey type colorway. Gives it an old school vibe. It is on like a leather type material, and it's embroidered in. On the inside again, Volt Nike Air Max, and then we've got a black insole, black sock liner. Yeah man, I really do think that these grew on me much more seeing them in person, in hand. I haven't put them on foot yet, but it was just really that was putting me off, because I think they'll look good without that, because that's kind of childish. Like this, like I'm more simple now. I like it a bit more downplayed. So if this was just like the normal black reflective one that they put on, I think that would look quite good as well, just blacked out. It will look good blacked out, man. But yeah, I really do think they'll grow on me a bit more when I put them on foot, because that's like the make or break, that's the decider. But definitely a good winter pair on these. So like they should have had this on here. Quite different having the tape, but yeah, I definitely do think that, you know, it was a reasonable price in the hundreds region, so around 100 and something quid. Decent for a pair of 95s these days. Like, you have to pay so much for 95s these days, it's a joke. But I had to grab these, one, to see them a bit better, two, to show you guys, to see what you lot think. But yeah, let me know what you actually think of these. Tell me if you hate them, rate them if you like them, if you don't like them. Tell me if you've got a pair, all that good stuff. I really haven't got much more to say about these. I'll give them like a 7 out of 10 rating, but that will probably change. I do have a grey tracksuit that is actually this colour, so that might look good, or it can be on a black tracksuit. You know, simple vibes, man. I feel like an old man now. We're just simple. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of them. And take care, my people.